Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set stop loss and take profit on MT5 Mobile. Now the first thing you want to do is I want to come to your MT5 just like I have here on my screen. Now whenever you open your MT5 you are going to be met with this dashboard. As you can see, I have two positions open on AUDJPY. Now what you want to do, you want to come to any position that you want to add stop loss to. For example, this first one, you want to tap on it and then you want to long press. After you long press, this box will open. Then you want to tap on modify position. As you can see, the first one right here on the left is where you set your stop loss, while the second one on the right is where you set your TP. So for instance, I want to set my stop loss. Assuming I had no stop loss here already. As you can see, after I deleted it, what is now showing there is SL. So I can just come in and set my stop loss 101.585 and then I hit modify. The reason why modify is not working because that was my stop loss initially. That's why the modify button was not working. So the same thing with the other position. If I want to have stop loss, I just come down here, I tap or I long press. When I long press, this chat box will open and then you select modify position. The same thing for where you want to set your TP. You can just come here, 99.438. Again, the modify button is not working. The reason is because 99.438 was my stop loss initially. For me to change my stop loss, it has to be different from what I had here before. So if I change this from 438 to 439, now the modify button starts working. So if I hit modify, my stop loss will now change to 99.439. as you can see. 99, as you can see, no, not this one. Madam, my TP, as you can see, 99.439, the second position. Now let's say I want to change it back. I long press and then I come to modify position. Let's say I want to take it back to 99.438. I just have to delete the 9 and then change to 8. Then I hit modify. And that's it. So that's basically how you can set your stop loss and take profit on MT5 Mobile App. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a thing or two from this video. I hope you have gotten value from this video. If you have learned something from this video, please kindly drop me a like kindly write down a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and please kindly hit that subscribe button. I'm going to do a lot for this channel so that YouTube can promote the channel to more viewers. Thank you very much for viewing this video and I'll see you in the next one.